To make soft and chewy milk chocolate chunk cookies, scale into a small mixing bowl 75 grams of room temperature butter, 25 grams of brown sugar, and 75 grams of cane sugar. Cream them together with a small spatula or whisk and mix in 5 milliliters of vanilla extract and 1 whole egg. Then mix in 85 grams of whole wheat cake flour, 1 gram baking soda, and 1 gram salt. Next, chop up a 100 gram milk chocolate bar and mix into the dough just until combined. Then chill the dough in the refrigerator for about an hour. For a 3-inch cookie, scoop a 40 gram portion from the bowl and roll the dough into your hand to create a round ball. Then evenly space the cookie dough on a lined baking tray to allow for the cookies to spread. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes. The cookies are done when they spread out flat and are browned around the edges but look slightly undercooked in the center. Allow the cookies to cool and store in an airtight container for up to 3 days.